MEgaMud is an advanced formula supermud combining bentonite and kaolin, the most powerful and effective natural earth clays, with high-performance peptides and potent botanical antioxidants. MegaMud was designed specifically to prevent signs of aging, treat fine lines and wrinkles, clear and minimize pores, and improve skin texture and firmness for a more youthful and radiant complexion. Age-fighting peptides, Matrixyl registered 3000 and Argireline registered, are clinically tested and proven to improve skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles. MegaMud is smooth and gentle and perfect for all ages and skin types. Professional skincare treatments and regimens you can trust via products are proven to perform on their own, but they are also designed to work synergistically with each other, and deliver even greater results when used as part of a customized regimen. Exfoliating, Clarifying, and Acne Control Regimen, AHA/BHA Exfoliating Deep Cleanser, Exfoliating and Clarifying UltraMud, Whip Cucumber Soothing and Hydrating Gel Anti-Aging Rejuvenating Regimen, AHA/BHA Exfoliating Deep Cleanser, Anti-Aging Peptide MegaMud, Hydra-Renew Perfecting Cream Soothing, Hydrating and Moisturizing Regimen, Whip Cucumber Soothing and Hydrating Gel, Hydra-Renew Perfecting Cream. The VIA difference. VIA Cosmetics is a specialized cosmeceutical company that develops and manufactures medical-grade dermal treatments using advanced formulations with high concentrations of pharmaceutical-strength ingredients and natural extracts. Our specialized treatments and regimens deliver powerful, yet safe, skincare solutions which effect real change and produce radiant, healthy skin at any age. MEgaMud is no ordinary mud. This advanced facial treatment mask is formulated with powerful age-fighting peptides to rejuvenate your skin and restore your natural radiance at any age. Nutrient-rich clays and botanicals visibly extract impurities from the pores to clear the skin of blackheads, oil, makeup, and toxins. Tones complexion and tightens pores to reduce size. Softens, smooths, and brightens skin for a silky, youthful-looking appearance. Age-fighting peptides. Matrixyl registered 3000, palmitoyl oligopeptide and palmitoyl tetrapeptide, boosts collagen production, stimulates skin repair, and reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Argireline registered, acetyl hexapeptide, relaxes facial muscle tension resulting in smoothed lines and wrinkles. Powerful antioxidants. Green tea, pumpkin, pineapple, and pomegranate team up to fight free radicals, support proper skin regeneration, and combat the effects of aging. Argan oil infuses powerful healing, moisturizing, anti-inflammatory, and anti-aging benefits for protecting and maintaining healthy skin. Hyaluronic acid increases absorption and retention of water, up to 1000 times its weight, giving the skin added fullness and providing a firmer, more youthful complexion. It promotes hydration, volume, and density necessary for healthy transport of essential nutrients to cells. Highest quality. Our medical-grade, professional-quality products are manufactured in an FDA-registered and CGMP-compliant facility using the highest quality USP-grade ingredients. Our products are produced in small batches, printed with lot numbers and expiration dates, and packaged under tight quality control measures to ensure the desired potency, consistency, freshness, and quality. We never test on animals and never use parabens, sulfates, or harmful ingredients. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.